Hello, my friends. This is the Roving Reporter and video number 3 in the series 13 Remote Learning Strategies we can use in face-to-face classes. This one is focusing today on what I like to call quiet collaboration moments during a lesson. So this is done usually in writing, where students can share, talk about their ideas, but always texting or writing to each other on a shared document. You can use a Google Doc. Everybody is able to edit it. You go online there, and they use the chat feature inside the Google Doc to collaborate. What are the benefits of that? I present to you the benefits right there. 10 benefits that you can really work on by using what we call these quiet collaboration moments in the classroom. Okay? And what's the good thing about that as well is that this can be done even if the students are offline. It can be done in real time or at a later date asynchronously as well. Let's take a look at 2 or 3 examples, rather 2 examples of how I did this with some of my students, and let me see if you can do it the same. Okay, let's take a look. So here's one example of how this would work. You create a Google Doc and you make it editable. Everyone with the link can edit. You share this with your students in the class, or you can send this to them via the instant messaging tools that you have, or email, whatever source you're going to use to send this to them. And look at how these students work together. As you can see, they can edit the text in real time. They can leave their comments on the right, because there's the chat feature in which they can insert the ideas, they can talk to each other, brainstorm, and most importantly, this can give lots of students, especially those shy students, a chance to shine, as we say, a chance to really get their ideas out, especially when they don't want to talk too much. And this is great for reflective thinking, great for the teamwork, collaboration we want to promote there in that classroom time. Okay, and that is, I think, one of the big benefits here. More than all of those that I listed in the previous slide there, from this image I was sharing, is importantly, of course, giving everyone a chance to have something to say and something to share in the doc. Also, you can make the document offline so that even if students are not able to edit it in real time now, or at the time of the class, they can edit it another point of time, and then they can share it with the rest of the group. And it's automatically updated when they are on an internet connection. So those are some of the benefits I would use there for what I call quiet collaboration moments. Okay, there you have it. Strategy number 3, quiet collaboration moments. And to sum up, these are the things we want to promote with this kind of activity, something you can do in real time, in face-to-face or online classes, using what we call remote learning strategies and adapting them back into the in-person teaching. So that's what I wanted to share with all of you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to press that like, give it your like, share with other teachers who might be needing this. Make sure to share with your colleagues. And if you want other ideas, questions about this, make sure to get in touch. Don't hesitate to do that, all right? Next thing too is to click on the bell to get reminders of other videos like this, right? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to take time to get a little love. And remember, sharing is caring, so let's do it. Thank you again. This is the Roving Reporter. Bye-bye to all of you.